Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beautyblender, and if you're new, welcome. In today's video, we'll be doing a little get ready with me. I'm getting ready to go film right now. That's why I look crazy. So if you're interested in getting ready with me, I'm gonna be doing my hair, my makeup, and putting on some clothes. If you're interested in seeing that, then keep on watching. Also, as you can probably tell, we're in a new location. We're in my bathroom, so the sound may be a little off, but please bear with me. I'm just a stickler for habits. I'm used to getting ready in my bathroom, so here we are. So let me start off with this hair. First, I'll just be reapplying some water to it, refreshing these curls, cause girl, my hair is dry and crunchy. And then we just pull out the curls. Then I want to change it into a side part, so I take a rat tail comb and then just and then I'm gonna do my little gel down front thing. So in order to do that, I need my handy dandy got to be. This is the ultra glued number 4, so the black one. This is the only thing that keeps my edges down, I find. Yeah, I need somebody to teach me how to do like them baby hair things. I'm throwing in everything. Them baby hair swoopty swoops. I got them done once and then never again. And then I just use my hard brush, my hard board bristle brush. This one is from Goody. Once that's done, I take this Stay On satin wrap. I think it's from Conair. I ordered it on Amazon, but I'm pretty sure you can find it in like Walmart. And then I fold it. Okay, so I went to get my little mirror. So now we'll be moving on to the makeup part, and then go back to fix the curls at the end. On my lips, I have on the Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm in the color Latte Lips. I also have the brown one. Forgot what that one is called, but I don't know where it is right now. Can't find it. Anyway, so first off, first thing I do is prime with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. And right before this, I did my skincare, washed my face, put on my toners, serums, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Just so you guys know, Black people do need sunscreen. Black people not needing sunscreen is a myth. Sunscreen doesn't have much to do with blocking your skin from turning darker. Well, that's a part of it, but it actually protects your skin from UV rays from the sun, and everyone has risk of getting skin cancer from too much UV rays. So wear your sunscreen even if you're inside the house, because blue light also carries UV rays, and blue light can be found in your phones and all that stuff. So I bought this new foundation. I usually use Fenty Beauty, but I ran out of that, and I really wanted to try the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. Yeah, this is the this is the color Iguacu Deep 3. But before I put that on, I'll do my brows with my KVD 24-Hour Super Brow Pomade in the color Walnut. And then I'll just take my flat angle brush from Morphe. If I can find it in this thing. Okay, here we go. So this is my flat angle brush from Morphe. Focus. front, I just put these two lines like you can see. I think I did a tutorial on how I do my everyday look. It's basically the same look in that tutorial, except I won't be using any eyeshadow. Feather out later because you don't want lots of eyebrows. I'm done with the pomade, and as you can see, I have this for like a month or 2 months, and this is how much I've used. Like, you don't need a lot. And then after I feather out the front part, then is when I would take the Morphe M432 brush and then my MAC Studio Fix Concealer in the shade NW50. As you can see, this is almost done. I have this so long now. And then I just put some on the brush and then I carve out my brow starting at the bottom. Try my best not to make my funny makeup faces because I'll be making hella faces with my makeup, but I feel like it helps with the application. Like, my mouth is always open. That's the concentrating face. Sometimes I use my Beautyblender, sometimes Beautyblender, sometimes I use my Real Technique sponge. Today I'll be using the Real Technique sponge, and then I take the pointy end. Y'all, I be buying clothes now, like, other than now for like YouTube hauls and stuff, I haven't really bought any clothes. The clothes y'all be seeing me in on like Instagram and stuff, I be having for like a long time, like 3 years and stuff. But now I'm losing weight, so I'm a different size than I was. Oh, if y'all didn't know, I lost 30 pounds in the last 3 months. So I'd like to share that with you guys, like how I did it. If you guys are interested in that, leave a comment in the description, not the description, in the comment section. Letting me know if you're interested in that kind of video. So I put on the foundation. I just did some squirts directly onto my face. I tried not to touch my face with an actual bottle tip, but it touched me in some parts. Won't kill me. And then I take the butt end of the sponge and tap to blend. Ooh, girl. Wait. Y'all see? Look at this. Look at this. I swipe it down to my neck because I don't really care about the other applications in on my neck, but I always tap it on my face to make sure it's flatter. My thing is, girl, my skin look like butter. The hell? I mean, my skin's not bad, but that just made it really good. Like, it's a good match. So I found out my shade twin on YouTube. Her YouTube name actually is Too Much Mouth. We wear the same foundation and everything. So when I want to try a new foundation, and she does like this foundation hunt series. So when I want to find a new foundation, I just go on her page to her foundation hunt playlist and see what shade she uses, and it usually my shade. And I've been using Fenty Beauty now since it came out. That has been the only foundation that I have been using. I've been repurchasing that, and now I think NARS reigns supreme, guys. What the hell? Look at this. Wow, that's wait. I know you can like get into this one. Wow, that's base. What the hell? While I'm letting this settle in a bit, I told you guys I only wear lashes in it. I have in total 6 pairs that I rotate through, but I only brought 4 in here with me today. So I have here Taurus, which looks like this. I have Diamond, looks like this. Dior, which is my favorite. She needs to open back up the store so I can get some more Dior's. And then Cadia, which looks like this. These are the ones that I brought in the bathroom with me today. I think I'm gonna use. I be killing Dior, y'all. I need to use something else. I think I'll use Cadia today because I haven't worn that much. So I think our concealer dried down enough. So I'll be applying the Laura Mercier translucent medium deep setting powder. And I'll be blending this out first. So don't judge my open mouth blending face, and then dip it into the powder. Because I don't want it to all be, I want it to have some kind of dimension, right? So I'll take my eyeshadow brush and my contour powder and then just apply that into my crease. So. Apply my lashes. What I do, I take out the lash. Out. I use the dual glue. For the glue to dry, I go in with bronzer, blush, highlight, all that jazz. So that's right. So for contour, I use the Ruby Kisses mineral powder. Fragrance free, hypoallergenic, all that stuff because we know I'm allergic to everything. And I use my contour brush from Real Techniques. And I put that brush back. So this is how I look after contour. And then the blush. Today's blush, I'll be using the Sahara Blush Volume 1 palette by Juvia's Place. Yes, it's dirty. It's been around a while. And then I'll be using the shade Neo. And from the same palette, I'll be using the Zara highlighter. And then hopefully the lashes are dry now, so I take my handy dandy lash tweezers. Setting mist. This is a Morphe continuous setting mist. So the lip liner I'll be using today is MAC Lip Pencil in the color Night Moth. And then we apply the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Gloss Bomb on top. You guys. So this is the face. This is the beat. This is how the mug looks. Then we'll be using the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. my favorite. And then just applying it to where it looks really frizzy. So like over here and on top here. So let's see. The grand reveal. See, she's still wet. But in this case, what I will do is get me a headbandy band. Who won't know this wasn't an intentional hairstyle? Who won't know? And even if they do know, who gonna check me? So the hair is done, the makeup's done. Just have to put on the dress and accessories. Black dress to go film. I also put on my class ring. It can fit me again since I lost the weight. My back hole earring is my Gucci earring that my friend bought me for Christmas. And then the front hole earring is the knobs that my mom bought me for Christmas. I paired that with my Brianna necklace as well as my 1994 necklace and my Apple Watch. If you guys are interested in getting any like statement jewelry pieces or anything like that, like this 1994 necklace or even like a name necklace, you can look up my friend Arisha, my best friend, and her sister Kirisha. They have a company called The Missing Link where they sell statement pieces, dainty necklaces, earrings. You can get whatever you need. Them girls can hook you up. So especially if you're living in Tortola, you can go ahead and get your accessories from them. They're awesome. So yeah, this is the look. Ow! So that will be all for this video. Thanks for joining me and getting ready with me to go film. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Smash that notification button so you're notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you in the next video. Wishing you lots of love and light always. Mwah.